Leonardo da Vinci was the first conceptualizer of the continuously variable transmission in 1940s from him. Actually, he was architect, a painter, engineer, also theorist, again scientist, draughtsman, and finally sculptor. Actually, he didn't waste a minute of his life. That's why he's this much famous. First patent of the CVT was from Daimler and Benz, and then in 1958 the F600, and in 1989 Subaru just became the first car with the electrically controlled CVT in the US. From 1990s to 2000, major manufacturers like Nissan, Toyota, and Honda, they made the CVT technology. So let's start how CVT works. Number one, a belt or chain pulley system, two variable diameter pulleys connected by a metal belt or chain. The second one, hydrostatic CVT, uses pumps and motors to transfer power. The third one, toroidal CVT, uses rotating discs and rulers instead of belts. As the pulleys adjust their diameters, they continuously change the gear ratio to provide optimal power and efficiency. So types of the CVT: belt or chain driven CVT, the most common type. It's from Nissan, Toyota, and Honda. Second one, toroidal CVT, uses discs and rulers of power transfer. The third one, hydrostatic CVT, uses hydraulic pumps and motors, mainly in tractor and heavy machinery. And in here then we have the negative point of the CVT, actually lack of regular maintenance, overheating issue. CVTs are more sensitive to heat than conventional transmissions. Aggressive driving habits, like if you press hard acceleration and sudden braking, it puts stress on the steel belts and pulleys. Number four, weak or poorly designed components. Some CVT, especially the new types, it has bad material. How CVT gear ratio works: number one, input from engine. The primary pulley is connected to the engine. Its diameter changes dynamically, controlling how power is transmitted. The second one, belt or chain, transfer the power. The third one, output to wheels. The secondary driven pulley is connected to the wheels. As its diameter adjusts, it changes the gear ratio. And in here we have gear ratio changes. How it happens: when the vehicle is going the lowest speed, high torque, the drive pulley is small and the driven pulley is large. Opposite side, in high speed, low torque, the drive pulley is large and the driven pulley is small. There is some advantages and the disadvantages of the CVT. Advantages: smooth acceleration, better fuel efficiency, improved performance, and lighter and simpler design. But the disadvantages, it's costly, like lack of driver engagement, no traditional gear shifters, okay, but it's a fake, and high repair costs. CVTs are complex and can be expensive to fix it. They fail. Most of them you have to change the gear. And durability concerns: some CVTs wear out faster than traditional transmissions, and rubber band effects. The delayed response when accelerating hard and feel unnatural. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like, please subscribe and like the video.